Hi and welcome to Miles TV. Today we're gonna take a look at how you can make your motorhome or caravan just that little bit more fire safe. So join us, won't you? So to start things off, we have our very cool little fire extinguisher, the Mouse Extinguishes Klein, which is a fire extinguisher which doesn't leave any residue, as opposed to the more traditional powder extinguisher. Take a look at this video and you'll see just what I mean. So the second thing I want to show you is our prize-winning product, the passive fire suppressor, the Mouse Stixx PRO. This little guy you install in all the spaces where a fire can start in your motorhome or caravan. So in the battery compartment, where you store your household gas, and where the power from your solar panels come in. The unit will activate automatically when the temperature in the space reaches 180 degrees or more. It will then automatically extinguish the fire and you can continue your vacation. Pretty cool stuff, huh? What you also should consider is having a smoke alarm in your motorhome or caravan so that you detect the fire early and you can take action against the fire. And if there should be a fire on a person, you should grab a fire blanket and put that fire out, hopefully saving that person, but also keeping you away from harm. Alright, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how you can make your motorhome or caravan a bit more fire safe. So, you know, do the usual, leave a comment down below where you're taking your motorhome or caravan. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube and visit our other social medias for more information on fire safety. But that is it for me. Until next time, have a good one.